Welcome back to Samaji's Fun Adventures. Today we are going to do a gas balloon science experiment. So what will you need for this science experiment is a funnel, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a blue balloon.
Any color balloon is fine.
Yeah, any color. And also a water bottle filled with half of white vinegar.
Right, good job. And
The important part, last but not least, goggles.
right, do you know the use for the goggles?
This is to protect your eyes from anything
Right, any chemicals that might get into your eyes.
and make you blind.
Right, so safety is always important.
And
first, yes. And young ones, always have a grown-up supervise and assist you with any science experiment shown in our videos. Okay? Alright, so Samaji said everything we needed for this experiment. Now let's get started. Are you excited, Samaji?
Samaji's Fun Adventures.
Alright guys, so we're gonna find out what happens when vinegar comes in contact with baking soda and what reaction it produces. Now remember guys, we're going to be combining an acid, which is the vinegar, and a base, which is the baking soda. In the balloon, we're going to fill it up with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. I already measured it out and I put it here. Now we're going to use a funnel to make it easier. Just pour that in there.
And you can see the dust.
You can see this dust. Give it a good shake. Make sure
That all of that is
everything is in there. Okay, there you go. Now I am going to take my bottle. I'm just going to go ahead and there you go. And then Samaji is going to take it from here and just pour everything there at once. Alright, so we're going to see what chemical reaction it's going to create.
3, 2, 1.
Go, go, go.
Whoa, whoa.
Let go, let go. Whoa! Hold it, hold it, hold the...
Help me!
Hold it, it's alright, it's okay.
Okay.
There you go.
Helium.
So it created
Oh,
gas. It created gas and it was able to blow up a balloon. Wow. So guys, when you guys mix an acid and a base, it produces what, Samaji?
gas.
Gas. Did you know gas is a state of matter that has no fixed shape and no fixed volume? Gases have lower density than other states of matter, such as solids and liquids. When more gas particles enter a container, there is less space for the particles to spread out, and they become compressed.
This will be it for this video. If you want to see more, hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next fun adventures.
Thank you so much for watching our kids science experiments, and we'll see you guys at the next fun science adventures.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much for watching.